Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, I'm diving into an experiment I've been super curious about, Fiverr Pro UGC video creation. So, I decided to put it to the test and hired a Fiverr Pro to create a user-generated content video for my brand. Was it worth the money? Let's find out. First off, let me tell you, diving into the world of Fiverr Pro is like entering a treasure trove of talent. The platform connects you with top-tier freelancers, promising quality that stands out. But of course, the real question is, does it deliver? I found an expert who had rave reviews and a style that matched my brand perfectly. After talking through my vision and goals, the creator got to work, and oh boy, the anticipation was real. When the final video landed in my inbox, I was blown away. The quality was top-notch, the message hit all the right notes, and it had that professional polish I was hoping for. But here's the kicker. It wasn't just about aesthetics. The engagement the video drove was incredible. My audience responded positively, and I could genuinely see the impact on my brand's visibility. Now, was it a hefty investment? Sure. But for the quality and results, I'd say it was absolutely worth it. Sometimes you have to invest in expertise to elevate your brand. So, if you're thinking about enhancing your brand with a killer UGC video, I'd highly recommend checking out Fiverr Pro. It's a game changer. You can find my top recommended creator through the link in the description below. Go check it out and see what magic they can create for you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, invest wisely in your brand's future.